Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm putting together a couple of videos of some things that I've been doing lately. One of them is this one here. Happens to be a performance by Mark Merchant, who's a ventriloquist. You're really going to like this guy. He's been performing since '73, so he's been on the road a lot. He's been in cruises, and he's been in performances on different cruise lines, and he's been all over the world performing in front of presidents and all kinds of stuff like that. So, but anyway, he's really good. We just happened to get him. The South Texas is a magnet for entertainment in the wintertime, from much like what Florida would be. So there's lots of RV parks that have facilities, and they like to get bands in, and they like to get performances from different people that actually do shows, like Mark Merchant does. So check out this. Down below, I'm going to put a link to his website so you can see even more. You can get a schedule. Maybe you can catch him in your area. You never know. Sometimes he's up in Branson. Sometimes he's up in Chicago. You never know where he's going to be. But let's get on with it, because you just entered the Coolest Life Performance Edition.
It was on every news station, right, in August of 1998. Yeah. Bill Clinton went on every channel and lied. I remember his thumb was between his fingers. And he said, "I did not have sex with that woman." He was not lying, though. He was talking about Hillary.
That's great.
I mean, there's not a man here who would. All right. Now, if Hillary were here, we would still tell that joke. You're not smart. You know why you're endangered? Not everyone knows we taste just like chicken. So who fired upon you? Sarah Palin. Hey, I was lucky. She leaned so far to the right, she could only hit my left wing. Send us overseas anymore. And about the first year into the pandemic, I wrote the USO, the big shots, and I said, "Hey, how come you don't send me overseas anymore?" And they were candid. They said, "I don't have marquee value." They say, "Mark Merchant, you're not a rich and famous entertainer." But ladies and gentlemen, for the record, I did not get in show business to become rich and famous. Good, it worked out. So you have chosen a word that is an interesting word that obviously I actually do like Elvis. You like Elvis? Yeah, I do like Elvis. Well, what Elvis song would you like to sing? Oh, I want to sing a little "I Can't Help Falling in Love with You." Oh, yeah. And you're going to ham it up for me. Yeah. I'll even hand you this microphone, which I've turned off so that you can act like you're really singing. All right, here we go. Thank you, lady. This is for you, Carolyn. Wise men say, does somebody know the Heimlich maneuver? But he's gonna choke. I'm not gonna choke. Yeah. So you sing, and then I'll sing. Don't what? Don't what? Don't sing. Why? Don't sing. Singers run in my family. They should. So you sing. Yes, yes, and sing from your diaphragm. What? Sing from your diaphragm. I don't wear one. That's not. Anyone here, any lady here can tell you, us older gals are in demand. Yeah? We don't yell, we don't tell, we don't swell, and we are grateful as hell. I should answer, why, sir? One never drinks the wine that's new. The old wine tastes much nicer. It's never too late to steal a kiss, especially on a night like this. Never too late to fall in. Never too late to fall in. Here we go. Never too late to fall in love.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the what Mark Merchant put together as far as his show goes. The thing I really like about him is he's not afraid. He doesn't pull any punches. He doesn't care what your background is. He tries to publicly offend almost everybody. He hits every genre. He's an equal opportunity insulter. But he's a comedian. That's what he's supposed to do. He's supposed to get out there on that edge and walk around a little bit. I really like that about him. He's really a super guy. And hopefully I'll cross paths with him again down the road, and maybe even catch another show. We just got lucky enough for him to be in town and available. He was doing other RV parks, and we happen to have a facility, and we got a chance to book him, and he did well here, so we're happy about that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other videos of entertainment and travel around the country, because you are now leaving the coolest life.